Hi guys, this is 100% Elaine. Welcome to my channel. I know this is not the normal way I record my videos, but you'll have to bear with me. Today we are going to be in this position because I'm going to show you how to install individual lashes. So, to install your individual lashes, you're going to need a pair of tweezers. You're going to need some hair glue. I use hair glue because it is very mild to my eyes. It does not sting my eyes and it dries pretty well, and the hold is also very good. Then I'm going to be using these lashes. I got them along Dubois Road. I usually use the 8mm and the 10mm. I have my lashes in two sizes, 10mm and 8mm. The reason why I'm using two different sizes is because I'm going for a certain look. There are different ways you can have your eyelashes done. There are different styles. So for me, I'm going to start off with the short ones here at the beginning, and then when I get to the middle here, I'm going to be using the longer ones, the 10mm, and then at the end I'm going to be using the 8mm. I'm going for an overall natural look, whereby no one it won't be easy for someone to notice that I have individual lashes on. They typically last me for about a week or a week plus a few days, because I wash my face as I normally would. Because I have these lashes and I have the glue, I can always redo them whenever I feel like redoing them. Plus I really loved this because it makes my lashes look so natural. First of all, you're going to remove your lashes because these lashes are kind of stuck into some glue. You can see some is stuck on my finger because I was removing them. You're going to remove the lashes, the number of lashes you are going to need. So I have my lashes ready. My lashes are here. Here are the longer ones, the 10mm, and here are the shorter ones. I've just done 5 of the short ones and 4 pieces each of the long ones. And I want to demonstrate something on how we are going to be putting the glue on the lash. So first you want to get your glue and unscrew it, and usually this is what I use to place my glue. Now this is how your lashes will look like. They have a curve to it, and if you have your glue here, I'm just going to show you how you're going to dip it in. This is an old lash. This is an old lash that I'm going to demonstrate with, because as I'm going to install them, you won't be seeing me dipping it in and putting it on my eyes. You'll only see me installing them. So I'm just going to do a quick demonstration on how you dip in the lash. This is an old lash, so you want to hold it like this. You want to hold it like this and then dip it in the glue like this. Like this. Now it has picked up some glue, and you're just going to put this on your eyelash. So now let's get right into the video where we do all the work. Yeah. No, this is not the most beautiful shot, but this is what you're going to work with. But at the end of it all, you are going to love this. You're going to love this. So I'm just going to be looking down at my mirror. My mirror is right here by my side. So first I am going to start with the short lashes. I'm going to start with the ends. I have not yet washed my face. I'll wash my face once I am done with this video. It is late at night and I have to upload it, so pick the lash. You're going to not put it like inside your eye. See where I put it? Like right beneath my lashes, from inside, right beneath my lashes. That's where you're going to be putting them. So you be very careful. This is a 10 to 15 minute process. Takes a really short time, but if it's your first time, you need to be really patient with yourself. So I like to hold my eye up like that as I continue doing my eye. I'm going in with the third one, after dipping it in, and just, wow, that one fell down. My tweezers are not the best kind of tweezers, but just have to deal with that. Leave that one there. tap it a little bit. Go in with the third one. Right below your lash. Right below your lash line. Can you see, you guys? Those are 3. I think I'm going to do one more and then start the long ones. Like I said, it's not the most attractive video, but it's a tutorial. These are the things we do for beauty, and it's a DIY. As you can see, they look really natural. You can't really tell that I have individual lashes on. And now I'm going in with the longer ones. I'm just going to put them in. Start at the center first. Right there. Right there. And the second one. Whoa. Yeah, if you can see already, I'm already starting to have that kind of look that I was going for. Short, 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 and then long ones, and then I'm going to do short ones. So I'm going to do 2 more. I had planned to do 4 long ones. I'm going to do 2 more. And you can add as much as you want. I like to space mine out first. I like spacing them out. I don't do them so close because I don't want anyone to easily notice it. But this is how we rolls. That right there. That is how it looks. And then now we're going to do the short ones. So feel free to put to put as much individual lashes as you'd like. As for me, I do not like putting in so many individuals because I'm going for a natural look. So yeah, this is basically it. This is how you do it. You want to really take your time and be patient with yourself. Anyone can do this. It's very, very easy. But if you do not have time, you can get this done at the salon. There are salons that do this and they do a really good job. So I'm going in with another one. You don't have to do the exact number of lashes that I did on mine. So here I have 3 short ones. I think I had is it 4 short ones? 4 long ones. I think I should do one more longer one here and here to give it a fuller look. Then we can seal it off. And then I'm going to do one more over here. Just go with the flow and balance them off as you'd like. I don't even know if I'm making sense. So that's it. Can you see how it looks? That's how it looks. And I like it. So I'm going to use a toothpick to seal off the ends. I'm going to dip it inside the glue. Yeah, I'm just going to use my tweezers. Way much better. I'm going to dip them in. That's how I seal off my ends. I'm not going to blow it with anything. I'm just going to leave it like that. It will just dry slowly. I'm going to remove this excess down here. Do not let your upper and your lower lid meet. Make sure they never ever meet and the glue is still wet. Just going to fan this and wait.
1 minute 37 seconds later.
I think it's now ready. It's already dark and it's okay. So that's it for that side. I'm going to do the other side. Wow, I'm going to do the other side. That's it for this side. I'm going to do the other side off camera and then I will come back to you guys and show you the final result. Yep, this is the final look. This is how it looks. I like how simple it looks. It is not so oh yeah, now it's visible. You guys see? Yeah, so I like how simple it looks, and since I learned to do this, this is what I do most of the time. I'm sorry, I'm really tired. That's why I'm speaking in a very that's why my speech is too slow. I'm very tired. It's very late. It's very late in the night, so I'm just going to sleep and wash my face. I really took my makeup off. So yeah, you guys, let me know what you think about these lashes. If you like them, if you do them, I think this will get better with time. Let me know what you think. Do they look natural to you? Yeah, so see you guys on the next one. Bye.